G'day, Ian Castle here, your Aussie vocal coach. And today I'm going to share with you a simple technique to instantly sing better. Now it's important to spend some time doing scales and exercises to improve your vocal technique. But if you're at the point of learning a song and want a quick and effective way to improve a phrase or a challenging high note, try this. Substitute the words of a phrase with a lip or tongue trill. The notes of the melody will remain, but instead of singing the words, you'll be sustaining a relaxed trill. The purpose of this exercise is to create a sustained, easy tone that allows your voice to glide over the notes without pressure or tension. I'll demonstrate it for you. Now here is the opening phrase in the chorus of Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Now this sequence of notes, it's challenging as it starts high in my head voice and then descends down through my mix. This time I'll replace the words with a sustained lip trill. Now the idea is to do this 5 or 6 times to develop muscle memory and then immediately throw the words back in. You should notice the notes are much easier to sing as you'll be more relaxed in your throat and your air will be flowing. Now I'll upload a YouTube short of me putting this into practice, so check that out. Try this simple technique in a song that you're working on and let me know if it helps you. Now before you go, hit the like button, and if you want to see more of these quick tip and technique videos, check out the links in the description area if you'd like to support the channel or work with me. Bye for now.